Hey y'all, welcome back. I know this video is going to be pretty short, but it's more of like just an idea that I want to pass along to y'all rather than like a full-on craft tutorial. But y'all know that I love to make wreaths. And if you like to make wreaths too, you probably know that the legs that you can purchase, like the elf legs and witch legs to go on your wreaths or, you know, flower arrangements or whatever, they're kind of costly. And I don't really use them all that much because of that. Well, I found this at the Dollar Tree. These were in a box over in the corner of my store. I call it a door hanger. I don't know what in the world it is. It's just this hoop, and it's got these little scraggly looking witch legs. The shoes themselves are just flat. They're pieces of felt. But the legs here, I noticed, it's kind of like a tube of fabric here. It's not like just a single flat piece of fabric. And I'm like, I bet I could use those to make wreaths with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors here and cut these off of the loop, and we're going to take a look, and yep, see, it's just a tube here, just like that. Be careful, this is going to unravel. But what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of polyester fiber fill. Actually, I have a bag of it sitting down here beside of me. And I'm going to take it and just cram it down in there, and I'm actually going to stuff these legs to give them more dimension so that I can use them in a wreath, you know, like attach it to the bottom or whatever. And you can use whatever you have handy, like to push. If you make stuffed animals, you know what I'm saying. You can use like a chopstick or a wooden spoon handle or whatever. I am going to use a ratchet because that's what I have laying around here. No, I'm not talking about the kind of ratchet that you're going to come across standing on a street corner in some shady neighborhood. This is the tool. So I'm just going to use it to just push the stuffing down all the way down to the feet here. And then I'm just going to continuously do that and just fill up the little leg part here. And then when I get to the end, I know I've actually made elf legs before out of fabric. You can either sew the ends shut or hot glue them shut, you know, whatever you want to do. I'll probably just wind up using hot glue on this. But, yep. I'm just going to keep stuffing this. And, actually, I want to go get some more to use in a flower arrangement. And I'm going to take a dowel rod, and I'll stick that down in the leg as well, along with the stuff, you know, to make them stiff and make them stand straight up in a flower arrangement. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to work on this here for a minute, and then I'm going to come back and I'll show you what they look like once they're all stuffed. Okay, so I've pretty much got this stuffed as far as I want to. As you can see, it's every now and then there's a little lump, and I left it like that so that I could show y'all something. But I make a ton of stuffed animals, and when you're stuffing arms and legs, if it gets just a slightly lumpy, you just take it and roll it between your hands like that, a little bit of pressure, and it'll even itself out. But yeah, I just thought that was a cute idea, you know, to give them a little bit more dimension, you know, instead of leaving them like this and then you put them on your wreath, they're just going to hang down and flop around like all cattywampus like that. So there you go, a fast idea to help with your wreath making, hopefully. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. Links to all those are in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.